got the pin?
I don't think anybody's got it yet.
You guys know where it's at?
It's in. So, okay, over here.
It does not work.
What do you see? Now there's one right behind you. He's in the window. Yeah, I see him. Yep. Is he looking? He's looking. He's shooting. Yeah, he keeps shooting at me.
Come on.
Can you smoke bombs?
Yeah.
No.
Smoke that shit. I'll run up to grab it.
Hey, do we have friendlies in this building?
No.
Fuck.
Get this.
There's more cover up here because the thing goes like this.
Yeah, it's like slope.
Okay, we got friendlies here and here and here.
Okay.
So let's not give away their positions. Spread out, you guys. One volley gets all of us. Are they on this little berm? Right up the top?
One on pin. One on pin.
Yeah, I see it. There's a little blockade. Eric.
He's in brown! In brown!
Yeah, I see him. He's between the trees.
I think we got him back.
Yeah, he's just below the line of sight, so to speak.
Yeah. I don't see shit.
Neither do I.
I thought someone pushed him.
This guy, I don't know where he is. I just shot at him. He went down.
Yeah.
He could be anywhere from the tape line over.
Okay. Oh, guy off pin.
I'm outside his range. You guys see this one sticking his head out down there, right where the guy crossed? See him? See his helmet there? Yeah. He's ranging. He's ranging. He just put a shot right past my head. I know I'm not going to get him with this.
Dude, how much is that? Yeah.
Somebody got him.
You got Tom?
Is he hit? I don't see a dead rag. My rounds are not going where I want them to.
Yeah, my fucking hop up is messed up too.
Oh, I see him. He's like straight across from me. He's at the tree. I see his shot trying to hit me right now.
Oh, look at this guy. Hang on.
Yeah, I'm gonna take from this way.
He's right up here. You see him?
No.
Right here.
I see him, yeah.
He keeps going to ground.
See him right there.
Got him.
Got him. Nice hit.
Hey, let's push, guys. Let's push. What do you see?
I see a guy on corner. Can't tell what building it is, but straight ahead from me. Straight this way.
Is he still there at the where those sandbags are? He is right there. My rounds are just going far. He's right by the pin, too.
Yeah.
Fuck, we need to
Run to blue right there.
Ooh.
I'll give you some cover. Oh.
Real close. There's a building here.
Fuck.
What did he say?
Armbands have control. My guys are fogging up, goddammit.
I can't get that guy.
Switch angles, there's a guy right on the corner. Oh, guy in the same spot as you just killed him at.
He's still there, yeah. I don't see the one that was close, though.
That white building and the green building far back have two people.
White building and then a green
The
building?
white building and with the window, I saw somebody in the green building.
On the corner? Yeah.
Damn it. Oh, I got the one. I got the one behind the sandbags.
Hey, we're going to push him very quickly.
Yeah. Hang on. Look at Rick.
My fucking gun. Got hit in the shoulder.
Hey, you ready? Oh! Hit!
5 minutes!
I'll probably get hit running up. He's close. He's right behind the white building. See him? They're getting ready to push.
Left side! Reloading.
How far?
Oh, he just died.
Where did he hit? He got hit from over here.
Left side!
They're pushing.
Left side! Report! Hold him out with the edge. Defense!
Hey, we need to do a better job of reacting to fire. Where are they? How far out? I see nothing. Coming to you. There they are. Purple fire base. Purple base.
Okay, I was gonna say, we don't know what purple is. Oh! I'm almost gonna stand right here. Oh, it's on the wrong side. In front.
Get a fucking rounds come down in the sun.
I know, I try to get over to the right side.
You guys are dead meat if you run out.
Go over to the right side. Cover. Over there, top moment. Yes, push!
No, 2 minutes. Don't get too aggressive. We need you up here to shoot. Guard the pin. Guard the pin.
Do we have it?
Who threw smoke out there?
Do we have it?
Yes, we do. We are guarding the pin. Don't get too aggressive. Time! How much time? Damn it. 2 minutes. The smoke was a bad idea. It's obscuring our vision. Perfect.
1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining.
You didn't hit. We do not. We do not have the pin, no.
Somebody's got to send it. Throw and shoot. Run. We don't go it.
10, 9, 10.
Charge! Go! Everybody go! Did we get the pin back? No, we did not.
No, we lost our